Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of one of our retired demo service vehicles, the 2019 Chevy Impala LS. This vehicle is being sold as new with warranty at Apple Chevrolet. This Impala only has 3,461 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It is a front-wheel drive vehicle that comes with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, and we also have our 18-inch custom steel wheels. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our half cloth, half leather gray interior with a white lining throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we have our Chevy MyLink radio, our standard push to talk, and cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you guys have a great day.